This yellow sheet cake is easy to put together and tastes a million times better than a prepared cake mix. It's buttery, the buttermilk keeps it moist, and the crumb is just the right amount of fluffy. If you're not a buttercream fan, then this one is for you because there's no heavy frosting here, just a light buttermilk glaze that lets the cake shine. For a thicker sheet cake, use a 9 by 9 inch pan. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, cream together 1 stick of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of white sugar. Now add 2 large eggs and mix until creamy. Be sure to scrape the sides. Now mix in a teaspoon of vanilla. Now add 1/3 of your pre-mixed dry ingredients, which are 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix just till combined. Now add 1/4 cup of buttermilk and mix to combine. Now ditch the electric mixer and with a wire whisk, mix in the next 1/3 of your dry ingredients. Followed by another 1/4 cup of buttermilk, followed by the last 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Now pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 13 inch pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. When the cake is about half done, begin making the icing. For the icing, you want to melt 5 tablespoons of butter, whisk in a 1/4 cup of buttermilk, Now sift in 2 cups of powdered sugar off the heat. Make sure you sift or else you'll have lumps. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour the icing over the hot cake. Make sure it's spread evenly. You might have to tilt the pan a little bit. Let the icing set and let the cake cool if desired for clean slices. Slice and serve. Enjoy.